Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how you can design your own stickers using Canva and sell them online through platforms like Etsy, while using Printful to print them. Let's dive in. The first step is to head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up using your email to start designing. Once you're in, click on Custom Size and make sure to switch the measurement unit from pixels to inches. For a standard canvas, I prefer using a 10 into 10 inch square, but you can adjust the size based on your preferences. I find squares helpful because they make it easier to align the designs. Once you've set up your canvas, zoom in as much as possible to make working on details easier. Now, it's time to start designing your sticker collection. Go to the Elements section in Canva and think of a theme for your stickers. For instance, if I'm creating a Valentine's Day themed collection, I'd search for heart under the graphics section. From there, I'd pick simple designs like basic hearts and place them on the canvas. I can resize it and place it in the center. The key here is to keep exploring and choosing graphics that match your theme. Remember, Canva offers recommendations based on your selections, so you can find similar styles to maintain a cohesive look. Once your designs are placed, don't forget to leave adequate spacing between each one. This step is crucial because you'll need enough room to cut the stickers without them overlapping. After finalizing the arrangement, you can click on Download. Choose the file type based on your needs: PNG, JPG, or PDF print for the highest quality. Now that your stickers are ready, let's talk about printing them. My go-to platform is Printful, but you can use others like Redbubble if you prefer. On Printful, search for sticker templates such as KissCut stickers or KissCut sticker sheets. I recommend starting with a sticker sheet since it lets you add multiple stickers on one sheet. Click on Start Designing, then create your order and upload the file you just downloaded from Canva. Once the design is uploaded, select it and you'll see your sticker sheet preview. Make sure your designs are spaced appropriately. If the stickers are too close, Printful will show a warning that they may merge during printing. Adjust as needed by cropping or scaling the designs directly on their platform. After finalizing the layout, you'll get options to continue. Preview your stickers to confirm everything looks good. Thin cutting lines will indicate where the stickers will be cut. If anything seems off, go back to Canva, adjust the design, and re-upload it to Printful. Once everything is set, you'll receive details like shipping costs, price estimates, and bulk order options. From here, you can start selling your stickers. Printful can handle printing and shipping, while platforms like Etsy are fantastic for reaching a broader audience. You can even create your own e-commerce store for additional flexibility. Canva also allows you to customize colors to fit your theme, adding a personal touch to each design. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.